Hey guys, it's Abby and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a much requested work from home desk tour, so I hope you enjoy it. I will walk you through some of the basic elements of my personal workspace now that I'm working at home for the time being. This is an overview of my desk. It's basically an L-shaped one, and on the left side, this is where I do a lot of my drawing work and I display a lot of my creative inspiration ideas. That's my office mate Abby. I constantly update my wall art as well, so I have here days that make me feel like myself, places I've lived in like New York and Berlin, my zodiac sign Capricorn, this Riso print that I made at Bad Student, a gift from Singapore Tourism Board, and my PaperCon ID for remembrance. This is my book writing area, so I have some of my books for reference. My full memo printer is also here and a plant, and this is the latest book launch that I have. I also prop my iPad here using a stand that I bought from IKEA. That way it's easier for me to actually draw because I feel like putting the iPad straight flat on the table is harder for me. I love this washi tape holder that I got from Muji. It's super functional and easy to work with. This acrylic drawer is also from Muji, where I store some of my post-its, sticky notes, wooden stamps, and other stationery that I have. Since I have a lot of pens, I decided to sort them here by color scheme, and this is a cute one. Here also I have this drawer from IKEA where I store my lettering worksheets, collage prints, and other stuff that I need to do for journaling. I also have this IKEA cart, which I'm sure you've seen in some of my previous videos. This is where I store my art materials that are currently with me here at home. So on the right side, moving there, we have some of my notebooks. This wooden shelf is also from Muji, and I have here my journals, my notebooks. I also store some of my drawing inks here and my stamps, so this is one of them. I also have wall art here, but the color scheme is a bit more muted than the one on the opposite side. So here are some postcards and this really cute lamp. And this one given by my psychiatrist. So this is also where I store my hard drive. Basically, this area is where I have some pens, some label makers, and my stamps as well. I think my stationery is basically all over the place because it really depends where I journal, but I have it here for safekeeping. I also have this mug with clips and this handy storage box from Sastrena Grene where I keep all my chargers, power banks, earphones, and the like. I also have this small bin for my receipts that I have to work on. So here I work on my laptop most of the time. I don't know if it's like a pattern that I got used to, but anyway, it's always like that just so it's easier for me to alternate from left to right. And yeah, basically that is my very quick desk tour. I hope you enjoyed, but before we go, I wanted to share some personal tips for working from home to make it more efficient for you. So the first one would be to prioritize your preferences. It's important to know what type of work you do and what space is best recommended for that. Since I'm an artist, I really prefer having a creative outlet where I can just work and feel like home. So that is why I have this set up. The second one is functionality over design. I cannot stress this enough, but it's really important to know that apart from your desk being, we love an aesthetically pleasing desk, but if it doesn't work for you, it's not gonna work. I personally can vouch for this because I used to fill up my walls with so many paintings, postcards, and stuff, and honestly, it just made my brain more anxious and stressed out. So it's really important to have that proper balance of keeping everything in order, and at the same time, again, functionality keeps you productive, and that's very important when it comes to working from home. Last but not the least, make sure to keep your space clean regularly. This means every day, every other day, as long as it's very neat and organized, just so it's easier for you to start the next day and easier for you to manage working from home. So I hope you enjoyed this test setup video. Let me know in the comments below what you think. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more updates and click on the bell for notifications on upcoming new videos. You can also see some of my desk tour videos here on the videos recommended and also on the links down below. Thank you so much and I'll see you soon. Bye!